Hi! So this is the question. Is katrabaho ko lang yan already a red flag?
Oh no!
You know, this is a very controversial topic, especially with everything that happened in the last few days, diba? Ang daming issues. But then, this is my stand. It becomes one, when the conversation becomes too frequent. Two, when they have inside jokes you're not part of. And three, when your partner starts hiding their phone, or when your partner starts brushing you off with, wala yan, katrabaho ko lang yan, you don't have to worry about it. Naku, kabahan ka na. Well, on a serious note, I've learned that cheating rarely starts in bed. It actually starts in small excuses like the harmless chats, the long OT hours, and the sudden closeness they keep on denying. And then boom! Suddenly you are standing in front of a truth you were made to feel paranoid for sensing. You know, trabaho lang shouldn't mean losing your partner emotionally. If it costs you your trust, your time, and transparency, maybe it's not just katrabaho ko lang yan after all. Right? So, that's it for today. Bye!